Okay, this is the worktop for the kitchen, and it's Corian, which is a very hard DuPont finish, and it's very dusty. So when we do this, when we cut it the other day, we cut that in. We had to wear masks because of a lot of dust, and the dust is it's prone to developing the silicosis if you get it on your lungs too much. So we're wearing these masks. Now these aren't the right masks, I've got to tell you that. These are just masks that we've got from when I'm doing spraying. But we're not going to do very much today because it's forecasting rain. But the walls, and this is another thing they never show you, the walls in this old house are not square. So there's quite a lot of movement because it's an old wooden place we've done up, or had done up. And because of that, the worktop doesn't fit in that corner. Well, it fits in that corner and it fits in that corner, but this part here doesn't go because the wall bells like that. So for us to get the J joint, which is down there, to fit with the J joint on the other piece, the 90-degree angle, we've got to grind some off this edge and this edge, and that's what we're going to do now. We cut with a saw blade yesterday and it's good, but we can't cut this because it's not enough, but we need to get it down to at least an 1/8 of an inch gap at the back minimum, so we can tile over the top. But what we're going to do now is, and we don't know whether we can do it because it doesn't say you can grind this, so we've taped it all up, and I'm going to give it a bit of a trial with this grinder we've got. It's a diamond cutter. I'm going to give that a bit of a go to see if it does any damage. So we're going to go very, very gently to see if we can do this. Now this is a two-man job, so the camera girl is going to have to help me, so we're not going to be able to video this. We're going to just have to do a still picture afterwards. But the camera girl's got to hold this. I'm going to go at that end. I'm going to grind some off that end. It's pre-marked. I've marked it already, and some of this end, and then we've got a dimension in the middle there to the wall, which is 15 mil. So it's 15 millimeters away from the wall here, but it's touching the wall there and touching the wall there. And we've got to get the gap here down to roughly 6 mil, because the tiles are about 1/4 inch thick. So we've got 9 mil to take off. So for now, today, before it starts chucking it down with rain, because it says it's going to, we want to find out if this works. If this works, we're going to put it back in there before it rains, and then we'll carry on tomorrow. But if it doesn't work, we've got to find something today which does work. So that's why we're doing what we're doing now. Okay, that's it. We've got to get ourselves gowned up now. We're going to stop this video and then we'll see how we go. If it doesn't rain, we'll give you a video afterwards showing you what happened. But if not, you'll have to have a video tomorrow. Okay, that's it.